we all know I'm not the best driver. Like, yeah. But here we are. The world looks like this. I can't really see the road very well. And I'm like, Florida? Is this you? Like, where am I? Alaska? Like, I don't know where I am anymore. This is an experience, to be sure. Never in my life have I seen this much snow in the south. So, yeah. Hopefully I survive. I'm going at the pace of a snail with a broken leg. More like a snail with 2 broken legs and a sprained ankle. But, yeah. This is testing my ability to stay alive.